Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in. So for those who don't know, I post video every Tuesday and Friday, so please do check it out. This video is going to mark 1 month since I started this crazy journey, and the only milestone is that I got a mic. So I hope my voice is clear compared to the older videos. Another thing about today is that it's been a month since I trained, so clearly I haven't found a balance between YouTube work and my workouts. I'm going to speak about chai tea. Wait, what's chai tea? Guys, it's chai, also known as tea, not chai tea or tea chai. Oh guys, make sure to click on that bell icon because apparently it gives you notifications whenever I drop in a video. So like you saw on my Eggs Benedict video, I was super curious on chai. And I googled it. The Chinese legend has it that an emperor was boiling some water and a tea leaf happened to drift into the pot, and that's how tea was invented. How cool is that? Anyways, the first question that actually popped into my head was, why was the emperor boiling water again, and where were the servants? So as you all know, tea is pretty common and famous in most of the countries. So I'm going to talk to you about some of the teas I have tried around the world and my favorite. I'm going to be ranking top 5 teas around the world and which is my favorite. So I'm going to start with 1, Karak. It's just super easy to make and it's just 1 dirham, and the cafeteria Karaks are my favorite and go-to. 2, Taiwanese Bubble Tea. The first time I tried Taiwanese Bubble Tea was in Malaysia, and I just completely fell in love with it, and ever since I got back to Dubai, I've been trying bubble tea everywhere here. Until now, my favorite is from a place called Chay Tea. So if you haven't checked out Chay Tea and you reside in Dubai, please do. It's amazing. It's usually located in one of the metro stations and super cheap too. My third favorite tea is from Azerbaijan. Oh my god, it also resembles the Turkish tea, or maybe I think both of them are the same, but I've tried it in Azerbaijan, Baku, and it was amazing. It's just so light and I love it, sweet and amazing. Guys, you need to check it out. And also if you haven't gone to Baku, it's an amazing place. After COVID, of course it's going to take time, but if you can go there, please do go there. It's super cheap and an amazing place to be. Fourth on my list is a Malaysian tea called Tarik. Well, I think I'm not pronouncing it right, but I'm just going to put it down here. The reason I put this in the list is because I've actually tried it, and it's kind of similar to the ones that I make in the house, but more creamier and less darker. So that means it's not stronger, but it's pretty similar, and I love it sweet. And fifth in the list is Moroccan tea. Who doesn't love a sweet Moroccan tea? I have included 2 things in this list. 1, the tea I make in my house. Well, it's a part of me which I cannot remove, so I'm not going to compare my tea with any of the teas around the world. And 2 is English breakfast tea. Now that I've told you top 5 teas around the world, let me tell you all about English breakfast tea, also known as afternoon tea, also known as anytime all day tea. Quick backstory. So in the England, tea wasn't super popular first when it was introduced because coffee was still in place, and it was the women who used to drink tea. The tea in the UK actually became legit when Charles II married Catherine, a Portuguese royal, and apparently she adored drinking tea, and she's the one who introduced tea to the court. Narden Sulaimani. Now for people who don't know what a Sulaimani is, let me show you. So Sulaimani is basically black tea which we all enjoy throughout India. It's something you drink and refreshes you right up, but again, that's not the way we usually make in the house. Not really a great fan of it because I love my tea with milk. How I make tea in my house, and I have actually asked my mom's help for this. Guys, a quick disclaimer, I am pretty new at editing, scripting, storytelling and all of those things. I want you to know YouTube is a journey where I actually started videography, not the professional ones, the amateur one, and started looking at editing softwares to actually realizing that storytelling is super important. So it's just been a month since I started, and my first milestone is getting a mic. So please do bear with me, and I hope you enjoy my journey. Enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, put your thoughts in the comment section, and share. I hope I'm getting the hang of this. It's been a month. I should be really, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh guys, make sure to click on that bell icon, because apparently it gives you notifications whenever I drop in a video, in case you don't check on me every Tuesday and Friday. So guys, as you all know, I have traveled a bit there and here. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you my top favorite teas around the world. And I hope I didn't cover my mic while saying that. Hi guys, I'm back with yet another video. I hope my mic is working. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to pause this and check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up. I think I nailed that. Please know that I do post a video every Tuesday and Friday, and I don't know why I'm bringing my hands close and covering the mic. But yeah, thanks guys. So